What's up guys, and here we go again. Apple made an industry-shaking move by removing chargers and headphones out of the box, and it's only a matter of time that others will follow the same, just like they all did with the headphone jack. Perhaps too soon this time around, we have a brand new bombshell news from South Korea regarding Samsung saying that they are actually planning to ditch the charger and headphones out of the box just like Apple with the Galaxy S21 series. This is the second time we're hearing from South Korea that Samsung could do something which Apple just did. Other insiders believe that even if Samsung doesn't ditch the charger, they'll most certainly will ditch headphones out of the box. This is something that is already happening. The Note 20 Ultra phones in the US and other various markets, they don't have the headphones out of the box. Same thing with the Galaxy Z Fold 2, the $2,000 phone. It also only came with a charger out of the box. If Samsung doesn't kill both of these two things, then most likely they will at least kill the headphones and only give charger out of the box. This has been a big move for Apple, and obviously it's a move that will make them a lot of money and perhaps might even improve the environment a little, but mostly it's money, which is why Samsung will most likely be doing this as well. But when it comes to Samsung, it's a bit different. You see, Samsung flagship phones have USB Type-C, and they've been shipping fast charger with their flagship phones since the day you were born. Recently, they have been shipping 25-watt fast charger even with their mid-range phones. And also because the phones are rocking Type-C port, I can see why a lot of Samsung customers won't have a lot of issues, unlike Apple, who has shipped 5-watt chargers out of the box throughout the years, and also a USB-A cable instead of the Type-C cable that they're shipping right now. So they are obviously trying to sell more of their new 20-watt charger, but with Samsung, of course, you won't have to face that issue. Again, Samsung just made a lot of fun of Apple, and if they copy them now, which they most likely will, it's gonna be a major L. So right now, you can make fun of Apple as much as you can, but sooner or later, your favorite brand will follow the same money-making move. Now we have some 100% confirmed leaks coming from Ross Young regarding the Galaxy S21. The S21 will be offered in gray, pink, violet, and white colors, S21 Plus in black and silver. Same with the S21 Ultra, but with the addition of the brand new violet color. So compared to last year, Samsung is offering a extra flashy color with the S21 Ultra. Most likely this brand new color will offer a special kind of matte finish similar to the bronze color of the Note 20 Ultra. It's also going to have the color coordinated camera rings, and overall just a better design compared to the S20 Ultra from this year. Some more info via Jimmy Is promo. He says that the S21 will be rocking a glass back instead of plastic, which we have heard in the previous leaks. He also says that the device will be a bit more boxy and edgy compared to the previous generation. Also rocking metal on the sides with One UI 3.1 software right out of the box. Now it is also rumored that the 40 megapixel front camera could make its return with the S21 Ultra. As for the back of the S21 Ultra, we're gonna see the brand new, never before seen second generation HM2 108 megapixel sensor. So that's all the latest Samsung leaks. As always, Samsung made fun of Apple while they can, and now very likely they might be doing the same thing. It's gonna make them a lot of money, might be better for environment in the long run, but again, it's mostly money. And if Samsung does indeed follow this, then it's pretty inevitable that other brands will follow Apple as well. I just feel like it's kind of too soon for Samsung to do this. In my opinion, even if Samsung does this, it won't be as hard for customers as Apple's move, because Samsung already has USB Type-C and fast chargers out of the box for years. But that's just my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.